Well, and now moving on, a massive twist that has seemed to merged in Delhi Police's ongoing probe against the news portal NewsClick. The HR head of the media group, Amit Chakraborty, has moved a Delhi court seeking to turn into a government witness in the case that is almost set to become an approver. In his plea, Amit Chakraborty claims he is ready to share information regarding the case with the cops in return for a pardon. NewsClick's HR head, along with founder Prabir Purkayastha, were arrested by the Delhi police on October 1st. They have been booked under sections of the stringent anti-terror law, that's the UAPA, and the company is accused of receiving funds to spread anti-India propaganda. And I'm being joined at this point by Priyank. Priyank, you've been explaining about how this particular petition may really turn to be extremely crucial in this probe as well. But what are you picking up from the probe team at this point?
See, the Delhi police has got to know from the application which has been moved from one of the accused, Amit Chakraborty, that he wants to turn up an approver in this case. For that, the process is very simple. The accused has to give an application before the sessions court. Then the session court marks it to the magistrate court, where the statement of the accused will be recorded under the CRPC section 164, which means that everything which he says before the court will be an admissible piece of evidence, on the basis of which the analysis will be done that whether these information are valuable or not, and whether these evidences have come up during the course of investigation or not. If that is the scenario, then certainly the police will give a go-ahead to the court, and on the basis of which the pardon will be given to the accused, and the accused will turn up an approver. This will be very important development in the case, because apart from the Prabir Purkayastha, who is the founding member of NewsClick, Amit Chakraborty has been associated with the company since the beginning of the time period. And he was the one who was the HR manager of the company. If that comes into picture, then certainly more arrests are likely to happen in this case, because we know that the Delhi police has already taken the permission from the court to question Gautam Navlakha, who was arrested in the urban Naxal case. So the linkage of the urban Naxals to the Chinese funding, then to these news website which has been allegedly creating propaganda, will be very important factor for the police. In the meanwhile, the Delhi police had already moved an application last week to seek some more time to file the charge sheet in this case. They have been given time till 20th of January. So much bigger developments are expected to happen in this time period.
Right. Thank you very much for all of those details.